Saturday, I think it's the second Saturday of October. Combining corn, 8-row head, 200 plus bushel, 15% moisture, 5.5 to 6 mile an hour. Hasn't rained since August. It is really dry here. That's the straw chopper stopping at the very end, that squeaky sound. Things are going well. Had a flat tire on the combine yesterday morning, and we had a flat tire on the combine the morning before. Each one took about 2 hours after they actually got here. So it was almost noon before we started yesterday as well as the day before. So far today, everything's going well.